I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus CT200h transmission fluid. First, gather your tools, including a T55 Torx socket, a 10mm socket, and a fluid pump. You'll also need 4 to 5 quarts of Toyota WS transmission fluid. Always confirm the fluid type for your specific model. Safely lift your car using a jack and secure it on jack stands before starting any work underneath. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, locate the fill bolt on the transmission. It's crucial to loosen this bolt first, but do not remove it completely. This ensures you can refill the transmission after draining. Next, position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the transmission's drain bolt. Carefully remove the drain bolt and let all the old, used transmission fluid completely drain out into the pan. After the old fluid has fully drained, reinstall the drain bolt, making sure to use a new crush washer for a proper seal, then tighten it securely. Now, using your fluid pump, begin adding the new Toyota WS transmission fluid through the fill port. Continue pumping until you observe a steady trickle of fluid starting to come out of the fill hole, indicating the transmission is adequately filled. With the new fluid added, reinstall the fill bolt and tighten it to specification. Double-check all bolts to ensure they are secure before carefully lowering your vehicle from the jack stands. Remember to dispose of the old transmission fluid responsibly. Performing this maintenance regularly helps extend your vehicle's lifespan. For other great deals and to find those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.